All right, dads, if you're watching this, that means your baby's almost here and you're smart enough not to show up to the hospital with just your vibes and a phone charge. Today, this House of LaSalle table setting talk is about your hospital bag checklist, the dad version. Everything you'll need to support her, to survive, and not get roasted by your wife and the nurses. A quick heads up, I've linked all the essentials in the description below. Also provided a mommy checklist below for her hospital bag. And guess what? I asked my wife about it. So you know it's been tried and tested. Start with the non-negotiables. Do not forget these. Toiletries, your toothbrush, deodorant, mouthwash, face wipes. Trust me, you want to still feel like a human after sleeping upright in a chair all day. When it comes to clothes, think of layers. You know, hospitals have mood swings. So temperatures could be hot or cold at any time. So pack yourself some comfy tees, pack yourself a hoodie, some underwear. You don't want to be walking around stinky. Clean socks, some flip-flops, some Crocs for the showers. Pro tip, pack yourself some sneakers. That way you'll be comfortable walking all day because you'll be standing up a lot, especially when it comes to pushing. Don't leave that charger at home. Actually, as a matter of fact, buy yourself a long charger, and also don't forget the charger adapter, because hospitals never have the outlets uniquely positioned for you. Wallet, insurance, ID, you may not need them, but if you do and you don't have it, you're cooked. You're gonna be the laughing stock. And days before, take out cash from the ATM, because you're never gonna know if you need to buy emergency snacks or a quick Red Bull. Now, you're just not packing for you. Remember, you're her support kit. You're her rock. You're her emotional doula for the day. Well, maybe for life. Your job is to also be the snack fetching ninja. So don't forget and drink, like Gatorade, a lot of no crumbly snacks, nothing that will get crumbs anywhere. Think of trail mix, raisins, snacks that you can eat whole without making a mess. Gum. You're gonna be up close and personal, both of you are, with people coming in and out. Last thing you want to be is a villain in her birth story. Backups for her, hair ties, a pillow, a tiny fan, a blanket, one of her favorite sweater or shirts from you. That way she can be comforted by your smell. No, you gotta bring the playlist and set the mood. You're the stress killer. Create a customized playlist. Make her laugh, make her cry, make her feel ready. Pump up that music. Maybe some Eye of the Tiger. Your job is vibes. Stay calm, be helpful. The golden rule is not to ask, what can I do? You should observe and see where you can plug and play, because she won't be having time to delegate while she's pushing. Are you ready for some pro dad moves? Now, these next moves, don't make it the talk of the nurses' halls for years to come. Clear your phone. You want to be having that phone clear and ready to go to take tons of baby pictures. I keep sending every now and then the picture of my wife just like in her gown, just like, and she just laughs all the time. She laughs because it reminds her of a good time. Reminds her of a very good time. And it also makes me laugh every time I see it. Have a notepad handy or open up your note app. That way you can write the nurses' names down. You can also write down feeding times, the baby's first poop, contractions. Don't make you look like you're prepared and ready to go, and more of a team player. Gift for the nurses definitely goes a long way, like a little gift basket. But even better, writing a handwritten thank you note would make you the talk of the town. Long extension cord. Trust me, you don't want a dead phone when the time comes. Post-celebration snack. Don't even let your wife, let your partner know that you brought her favorite special snack. Preload movies into your phone or your favorite shows. There's nothing wrong with a distraction, especially during the first labor. At least with my wife, it took more than 10 hours. So you're gonna be there for a while. Further, pack another duffel bag, but this one should be empty. Once a baby's born, they're gonna give you a lot of free things, which is awesome. Don't forget about the baby. Yes, you're responsible for the baby too. That means going home outfit. You don't wanna wing it with the baby just wrapped up in a blanket. That's a no-go, Dad. The installed car seat should be ready to go, and you should know how to use it before trying to figure it out in the parking lot. Remember, baby safety starts with you, Dad. I want to provide a couple notes / bonus tips that go beyond the bag to make your life easier. Great dads do hospital recon. They know where to park. They know where the emergency room is. They know where the labor unit is. They know that they need to pre-register their family, meaning providing all the insurance information, providing all the information before the water breaks. That way you just drive in and you're ready to go. I can't stress enough, communication, being on the same page with your partner. That way you two can have a communication plan. Who do you notify once the baby is born? Does the baby have a sibling? Do you need to keep tabs on childcare? These are things you should already set up with your partner before the baby comes. That way your life is easier. And lastly, meal prep. Try meal prepping for a few days, or buy frozen food or have takeout ready to go. That way you just focus on baby and focus on baby bonding. Here's the truth, dads. Nobody's gonna give us a medal for being prepared or showing up, but people are very quick to pull us down and drag us into the mud for messing up. So pack now, double check it, make sure the bag is right next to the door, because when it's go time, all your wife wants to hear is that you got this. And most importantly, you got her. Drop a comment below if you have that bag ready, or if you want to share any wild and crazy hospital bag stories. And subscribe for more House of LaSalle table setting talks like this. Can't wait for the next one. Thank you for your support. And please check out the links below.